Hi guys, my name is King James. You're welcome to my channel. Now there are a lot of softwares that are easily deleted by internet security or Windows Defender. Now, like they say, whatever has got advantage has got disadvantage. Your antivirus or internet security is there to protect you against malicious softwares and viruses that could harm your computer. But on the other hand, there are some softwares that are very vital, like for instance now keygen that you use to activate some softwares. Most antivirus, internet security, and even Windows Defender get to see them as malicious software, so they delete them without even asking you. Now it's your job to decide whether that software should be left on your system. So you just have to take total control of your system. You don't have to allow internet security to just decide everything. Okay, so what you do is, if you want to install some software, or if you want to open the software, for instance, now let me tell you, for instance, now keygen for AutoCAD, Revit architecture, or some, there are so many of them like that they come with keygen that you need to activate with keygen. So what you're going to do is, before you open at all, you deactivate your Windows Defender or your internet security. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to deactivate your Windows Defender so that it doesn't delete your software that is very vital to you. Alright, let's go to class. Alright, to deactivate your Windows Defender, one of the things you could do is to come to this side. Usually you could see a message like this, or perhaps you see a message like this, but I don't always go through all this side because you may not see the message. So what you do, which is the general rule which you're going to see most likely, is to right click. Then that's if you're using Windows 10, you select Windows display setting. The idea is for it to take us to setting. There are a lot of places you could go through. You could go through my computer also. Now the idea is to just come to settings, then update and security. Then when you click on it, to give you options which includes Windows Defender. So I'm going to click on the Windows Defender now. Now mine, I usually turn it off because many times I work with softwares. So by default, it's going to be like this. So this is where you turn it on or off. Now I'm going to turn it off now. So it is off. The next thing is this. You can see it will give me a warning that I've put off the protection on my system, that is, my system is vulnerable now. Now folks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. So I can add an exclusion. For instance, now I could put on my Windows security and say, this particular software, please don't touch it. It is not a virus, it is a trusted software. Or this particular folder, everything inside is okay, I trust it, please don't delete. So what I'll do is add an exclusion. So I'll click on it. Now if you see exclude a file, I'll select this exclude a file. That's the plus sign. Then any file at all I want, I'll just select it. I don't want to do this. I'm just showing you for lecture's sake. And now if it is a folder, for instance, now say AutoCAD 2017, I want everything inside not to be touched, so I'll just select this plus sign. So I'll look for a folder. Perhaps let's come to desktop now. There are some folders. I can select this, or I can select my D drive and I'll add to exclusion. So everything there will be seen as safe for me. So folks, that's how to deactivate or activate your Windows Defender. Now if you want to do the same thing, if you want to activate it again, you go through the same process. Right click, display setting, you come to display. Alright, I'm going to click on Windows update, then come to Windows Defender. Now put it on back because there's reason why this security is there. Because if you put it off totally and you're working on the internet, before you know it, you just be downloading all manner of malicious entities, or you just be clicking on the wrong websites and your system get corrupted. So if Windows Defender is on, it will be giving you a real-time warning that this website is not a trusted website. So it all depends on you. If you now decide to go in there to catch all the virus, then it's going to be your fault. It's not going to be the fault of Windows security. So folks, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're bumping into my YouTube page for the first time. Perhaps if you've been seeing my videos and you've not subscribed, please do. Catch you. I'll see you next class. Thank you.